Well, welcome back to the channel, viewers. Busy all day today, all these vlogs. Well, anyway, we've just been in the restaurant. We've had really good pizza. Now we're on the move now, and we're making our way to Chillbox in Las Americas. We still haven't found the elusive Lego Crocs yet. We will do. All right, we'll take you on our way to Chillbox. In return, you can subscribe to us.
Wait, €1. Have a nice one today. Take care.
If you want to, it's Green's Adventures on YouTube.
Alright, go on then, I'll give you a scan. I'll scan you.
It's all about Tenerife and
There you go,
restaurants,
I'll save it.
hotels, the stadium.
Something's making you come back though, isn't it? You know what I mean?
Yeah, and I think so it's definitely made us come back now, and now we're sort of ticking now, aren't we, going,
We need to make this work.
we're going to make this work.
Yeah.
We'll come back for 6 weeks.
They can just go Spanish school, it's not a big deal, honestly. The
No,
schools need to go
it's a
down
bit of a
there
culture
anyway,
shock, but
aren't
they'll soon get used to it, aren't they? They're young enough.
100%, yeah, especially the little one, it'll just be
Yeah,
fine.
he'll be able to pick up Spanish
Yeah.
back.
Before you know it, he'll be
she
talking
just picked it
Spanish.
all up. Yeah, she did, she just picked it all
Yeah.
up, but
Yeah.
they will.
Oh, well, we're off to Chillbox now.
Yeah, I know, I'm trying to find my way, I don't know what I'm doing, we're just walking.
Walking
He goes on Google and in fact,
Yeah,
loads of maps. That's what we're doing.
Go on,
Yeah.
Right.
It says go this way, let's go this way. Yeah.
Right, cheers for that. All right, see you later.
Ta-ra. What do we do? Vlog about it.
Yeah, I don't know. Not sure. Not sure.
It's all come from
Been
West
quiet.
Coast.
Yeah, it's a funny colour as well, isn't it? Ethan, are you watching YouTube? Are you watching YouTube? I got it in my mind. Google. So where we're going?
Well, we're going out that.
Got a little man's haircut. He just informed us he wants some hairspray and a new hairdryer. What's all that about at 14? Got a feel of some baking down now. Back feels like it's on fire. How's your bronzing gel doing in it?
Actually got low suntan cream on it, didn't it?
Oh, it's a bit hot, isn't it? You see up there, Port Santiago, one of them. Do we go back up the Golden Mile? Eh?
What?
Go back up the Golden Mile?
Oh, yeah.
On left or right? Left here, innit? They're across here then, aren't we? Them scooters look tempting just to hop on. The mountains, hills in the background. Boss shop over there. Is that Yo shop that everyone's talking about? La Siesta hotel down there. I bet it's the high bustle of this place at night, isn't it? Well, pretty quiet at the moment. Everywhere, isn't it? A lot of tattoo shops down this Golden Mile. It's good how they've done it up here, isn't it? When they've tried segregating the scooters from the pedestrians, so you don't get run down. There you've got for the people who like the cigars, a cigar boutique. I've seen one of those for a long time. Shops on cigars. Thought that were the days. I thought cigars were numbered now. Oh. Just do we jumping in pool? Tobacco shop over the road there. That's where a lot of people buy them cigarettes and tobacco before they go home in these shops. There's the other park, Santiago. Quite impressed with that shopping centre. That's below Park Santiago underneath. It's a shame that some of the shops were shut. Possibly it's Sunday, I don't know. You thought being Tenerife, being the weather and visitors and tourists, it would be open, everything would be open. But being direct below a shopping centre, below a hotel, a shopping centre. I think this time of night people are just coming back from the pool, I would have thought. Get shower changed and get ready for the night of entertainment. Our trusty tour guide Ethan there with his Google Maps showing us where Chillbox is. Hey Eve, I thought you said 7-minute walk. Or did you say 7 mile? Oh, the cheek of you, do you know it? There we go, got some of these bikes that we had in a decky over in Los Americas. Oh, he's turned left. He's turned left. That was a pharmacy up here. They might have P20. Hmm? Is it up here, Eve? Is it just up here? That must be Tenerife First Excursion Shop. Must be. Wonder if Richie's in here, isn't he? It's a different way of life, this. Just a bit further up. They keep going. Seen your twin brother last night.
Yeah, I've seen your twin brother last night.
I know, this is where I normally am.
Alright.
This is my usual spot.
Peace and quiet, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah. What are you been up to today?
Not a lot. I think who's in? Dan? Matt? No?
It's Dan, but it's a different Dan.
Oh, no, mine, no.
Yeah, I don't know if you've met this Dan before.
The Irish one best.
No, this is Love Island Dan.
Love Island, Dan. All right. We don't want any more excursions. We bought 2 last night.
Did you?
Yeah.
Ransacked us.
Yeah.
Where did you buy them?
A decky.
The decky?
Off Richie.
Oh, fridge on the other
Yeah.
shop?
Yeah.
Nice.
Brilliant.
So
That bait's roasting here, isn't it?
You come to find Chillbox.
Yeah.
If you have a Chillbox, it'll cool you down.
Yeah.
Just down here on the right hand side.
That'll do us. Spot on.
Cards.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Right.
Sit in it. Have they been dragging you around?
Yeah.
My little legs.
Oh,
You have to get one of these mobility shoes.
oh man. Yeah. Right. Cheers, Richie. All right. See you later, buddy. Will do. See you later. Is this it? Yeah, this is it. Just arrived at Chillbox. Well, just been informed we're 7 minutes away from JD. So let's keep going. You can't bag that. Another hotel, a big hotel across there. Not sure what that is. Quite a few football games on. A few places busy, a few bars. Live sports bar. Pizzas, burgers and snacks. Looks busy. I don't know who's playing. It could be Crystal Palace and Arsenal. Don't know. We'll have to have a look at this. No, it's live. English Premier League Judgment Day at 4 o'clock. United playing as well. A Traveller's Rest. Busy old bar. Let's keep going. Don't know where we're going. I hope Ethan does. But I've never seen one before in Tenerife. Focus RS, nice white one. 2. El Americano, eating house. Yeah, now those. It's busy. Keep going. Apparently it's JD's right next to near Veronica's. Never been to Veronica's in all my life. I don't intend to start doing it at my age either. Hurry up. She's the mum stop. Right. How far? 5 minutes. 5 minutes, eh? Yeah. Yep. All right. Okay. I couldn't agree more. Mrs. Green's Adventures wants to get a taxi back, so I think we need to get a taxi back. It's a bit warm and her shoes are rubbing her now. We've put some miles in today. Some walking. I think does this take you down where that Kong bar is? Oh, there's Veronica's, I see it there. A bit busy, this will be busy later on tonight, won't it? Right, this just another update. We've just come out of JD. As you can see, JD there, and basically the elusive Lego Crocs have got away from us. Didn't have any in stock, so I got a box standard pair of Crocs, and they feel lovely on my feet. And anyway, I'm gonna have to get some Lego Crocs for my next holiday in I think 8 weeks. So I'll have to get some back when I get UK. All right, thanks for watching, and sorry we couldn't bring you the fashionable Lego Crocs. Until the next time, catch you in the next one.